Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best soap-making supplies are probably one of the most crucial elements for anyone looking to dive into the rewarding world of crafting their own natural, luxurious soaps right at home, ensuring that every bar you create is not only a testament to your creativity but also a healthy, skin-loving alternative to mass-produced products. And selecting the right foundational ingredients and tools can truly elevate your soap-making journey from a simple hobby to a professional-level art form. Number 5. Cliganic Pure Vitamin E Oil. Discover the power of pure vitamin E oil, a natural solution for your skin and hair. This potent formula is designed to nourish and revitalize. Whether it's your skin, hair, or face, this oil offers comprehensive care. It helps to improve the appearance of scars and promote a healthy glow. Experience the high potency of 30,000 IU, ensuring you get the maximum benefits. It's a concentrated dose of natural goodness for your beauty routine. Rest assured, our product is non-GMO verified, meaning it's made with ingredients you can trust. We prioritize quality and natural sourcing. Formulated with natural D-alpha tocopherol, the most biologically active form of vitamin E. This ensures optimal absorption and effectiveness for radiant results. What we like. If you're looking to enhance your skincare and haircare routine, this is a fantastic choice. Its pure vitamin E content is known for its nourishing properties. For those seeking natural ingredients to improve skin health and hair vitality, this product offers a concentrated dose of goodness. What people say. The kit includes a variety of essential oils and colorants, allowing for creative customization of soaps. The molds are made of high-quality silicone, which makes them easy to clean and ensures the soap's release without sticking. Detailed instructions are provided, making it suitable for beginners who are new to soap making. Number 4. The Natural Soap Making Book for Beginners. Unlock the secrets to creating beautiful, handmade soaps. This book is your perfect guide to getting started with natural ingredients. Learn to use wholesome herbs, aromatic spices, and pure essential oils. Elevate your creations with the best nature has to offer. We break down the process into easy-to-follow steps. You don't need any prior experience to start making amazing soaps today. Infuse your soaps with personalized scents and beneficial properties. Make gifts that are as thoughtful as they are beautiful. Begin your soap-making adventure with confidence. This comprehensive guide provides everything you need to succeed. What we like. If you are new to soap making and want a straightforward guide, this book is perfect for you. It focuses on using all natural ingredients, making it ideal for beginners who want to create safe and wholesome soaps at home. Get started on your DIY soap journey with confidence. What people say. The kit includes a variety of essential oils and colorants, allowing for creative customization of soaps. The instructions provided are clear and easy to follow, making it suitable for beginners. The molds are made of durable silicone, which makes unmolding the soaps a breeze. Number 3. 2-pack 6-cavity silicone soap molds. These silicone molds are incredibly simple to use. Their flexible, non-stick surface allows your creations to pop out easily with just a gentle push from the bottom. Each tray features 6 cavities, with individual cavities measuring 3.4 inches x 2.4 inches. The rectangle cavities hold 5.2 ounces, while the oval ones hold 4.1 ounces. These molds are safe for use in a wide temperature range, from -104 to +446 degrees Fahrenheit. They are also dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Perfect for handmade soaps, these molds are also ideal for baking, chocolates, candles, resin, polymer clay, and many other craft projects. With both rectangle and oval shapes included, these molds cater to all your crafting needs. They make wonderful handmade gifts for friends and family. What we like. If you enjoy making soaps with different designs or are looking for versatile baking molds, these are a great option. The combination of rectangle and oval cavities allows for creative variety in your handmade soaps. They are also safe for a wide range of temperatures and easy to clean, making them suitable for various craft projects. What people say. This kit is a great starter for beginners. It has all the essential tools and ingredients needed to make your first batch of soap. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for someone with no prior soap-making experience. The quality of the ingredients is excellent, resulting in beautiful and skin-friendly soaps. Number 2. 16 bags natural dried flowers kit. Discover a beautiful assortment of 16 different types of natural dried flowers. These are perfect for a variety of creative projects and personal care uses. Experience the authentic beauty of flowers picked at their peak and naturally dried. They retain their original scent and color, with no artificial additives. These dried flowers are ideal for your DIY craft projects. Create unique resin jewelry, bath teas, or add a decorative touch to candles. Elevate your self-care by crafting your own natural beauty products. Use them to make custom cleansers, soaps, lotions, and perfumes. Each flower is individually sealed to preserve its fragrance and quality. The resealable bags make storage simple and convenient. This lovely collection makes a thoughtful gift for friends and family. Please remember, these beautiful petals are not for consumption. What we like. If you want to add beautiful natural elements and delightful scents to your handmade soaps and crafts, this kit is an excellent choice. It offers a wide variety of 16 types of flowers, all naturally dried to preserve their color and fragrance. For those who appreciate the aesthetic and aromatic qualities of real flowers in their creations, this provides ample material. What people say. This kit includes everything you need to get started with soap making, including molds, lye, oils, and fragrances. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The finished soaps are beautiful and smell amazing. Number 1. LAVEVE 21 Bags Natural Dried Flowers Kit. Discover a curated collection of 21 varieties of 100% natural dried flowers. Each bloom is hand-picked and carefully dried to preserve its essence, offering you a diverse palette for your creative projects. Perfect for a wide range of DIY crafts, these dried flowers are ideal for soap making, candle crafting, bath bombs, and resin jewelry. Let your imagination bloom with these versatile natural elements. Infused with antioxidants, these natural botanicals are wonderful for skincare. Create your own organic cosmetics, from floral waters to lotions and soaps, and embrace a gentle, natural approach to beauty. Each variety is individually sealed in a resealable pouch, ensuring the delicate fragrance and vibrant colors are maintained. This thoughtful packaging makes them easy to store and a delightful gift. Bring the beauty and fragrance of nature into your home and crafts. These dried flowers are not just ingredients, they are an invitation to create something beautiful and meaningful. Choose LAVEVE for a premium selection of natural dried flowers. Experience the quality and versatility that will elevate your DIY projects and natural skincare routines. What we like. If you are looking for an extensive selection of natural dried flowers with skin-benefiting properties, this set is ideal. With 21 different varieties, it offers even more creative possibilities for your soaps, candles, and cosmetics. For those who prioritize natural ingredients that can also contribute to skincare benefits and appreciate well-preserved fragrances, this kit is a wonderful choice. What people say. The mold is easy to use and clean, and the finished soaps have a beautiful, intricate design. The soap base is high quality and lathers well, creating a luxurious feel. The essential oils included in the kit have a wonderful, natural scent that enhances the soap. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.